Hello guys, here's Alan from ESA. Today I'm coming to Guangzhou Jiajue Machinery Equipment Limited Corporation. As far as we know, in the construction industries, the equipment downtime can be costly and delay the project timelines. That's why we use high quality components that are reliable and efficient. And today, it's my great honor to introduce our company and take your lead to visit our hydraulic pump testing process for excavators to you. So without further ado, let's get started. You can see that there are many experienced staff in here. They are all available to give you a full customer satisfaction and meet your requirements. We work very close so that we can communicate with each colleague very efficiently to solve problems for clients.
At our company, we are committed to providing exceptional customer service and only offering products of the highest quality. We understand the importance of keeping your equipment running smoothly, and we are here to help you find the right components for your needs. By using our high-quality components, such as our excavator diesel pumps, computer boards, wire speeds, injectors, and hydraulic pumps, you can reduce equipment downtime, improve productivity, and ultimately save time, money, and resources on your construction projects.
Now let's move to our factory. In the next part, I will show you the more details about our assembly process and the hydraulic pump testing process for excavators to you.
A hydraulic pump in an excavator may experience wear and tear or damage, which can affect its performance. In order to repair or replace the pump, it is necessary to disassemble it first. The disassembly process requires specialized tools such as wrenches, pliers, and screwdrivers. It's also important to have a clean workplace and protective gear such as gloves and safety glasses. In summary, disassembling and reassembling a hydraulic pump in an excavator is a complex process that requires specialized knowledge and tools. Proper technique is essential to ensure that the pump is repaired correctly and safely, and to prevent any further damage to the machine. This is hydraulic pump testing process for excavators. Hydraulic pumps are a crucial component of excavators and play a vital role in their performance. Testing the hydraulic pump ensures that it is functioning correctly and helps identify any potential issues before they become bigger problems. The hydraulic pump testing process involves using a specialized test bench that is connected to the hydraulic system of the excavators. The test bench measures several parameters such as flow rate, pressure, and temperature to determine the performance of the hydraulic pump. During the testing process, the hydraulic pump is run at various speeds and loads to simulate real-world conditions. These tests help identify any issues with the pump's efficiency, output, or pressure. The results of the tests are analyzed to determine if the hydraulic pump is performing within the manufacturer's specifications. If the test results indicate that there are issues with the hydraulic pump, further analysis may be required to pinpoint the root cause of the problem. In summary, hydraulic pump testing is a crucial part of maintaining the performance and safety of excavators.
I believe you have some simple understanding about our company right now, and thanks for listening and watching. By the way, if you have any inquiry, just feel free to contact us in anytime, and I hope to make friends with you through the cooperation. Thank you.
Ether.com make global trade easier.